Welcome back to our podcast, Broke and Broken. We are here to say hi.
At the same time. And with this, the season 2024 comes to an end.
Almost comes to an end. We still have few days left to see how it goes, but it kind of was okay.
Yeah, 10 दिन में तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला जब इतना टाइम में नहीं हुआ. So,
You never know.
any which ways.
My name is Yugasha Ratra.
My name is Sakshi Jain.
Let's get into the episode of our podcast called
Cause we'll sing. So if you remember, even like last year का New Year भी हम लोगों ने साथ में ही मनाया था. And it was nothing fancy.
साथ में आज दिन 12 बजे तक भी हम साथ नहीं थे.
नहीं,
We
आज
just
12 बजे नहीं थे, but we went to some cafe to have some food.
just like 31st evening and we
Yeah.
did nothing. Like
Nothing.
nothing.
And I also remember कि जहाँ पे हम पीजी में रहते थे, there was this caretaker दीदी. Even she had plans, and then
Yeah.
she was like कि हम लोग ना थोड़ा लेट में रात से आएंगे तो तुम लोग हम अपना अटेंडेंस रख लेंगे उसमें.
ठीक है enjoy. Good night.
Sure.
कोई सीन्स ही नहीं थे और इस बार भी हम सोच रहे हैं कुछ सीन्स ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
Like we already cooked together. We already spent so much time together. We played
Cook cafes
games
and all
together.
of
हाँ,
that.
मतलब almost everything. What else we can do? I just don't know. We were thinking to make a vision board, but like New Year's we were thinking to make personal vision boards. We were also thinking to make this podcast ka
Yeah.
vision board on the episode only, and then maybe a separate about relationship, family, like different vision boards for the year. I want to go strong-headed next
Yeah.
year.
Like every year we say.
हाँ मतलब I don't know what happens as the year end. You just feel like अभी Monday को देखेंगे. Like it feels like a weekend
And the fact, even like the coming year, it's starting with Wednesday. So like, what the fuck?
Oh हाँ, and
Yeah.
they say that's how 2020 started.
Oh
In the
God,
same
don't
way.
tell me.
But I have good hopes. I have good hopes. Yeah, also numerically 2024 sums up to 8, which my mom told is not a good year. Like it's not my year. Matlab, because I'm a numeric 4 and you only believe in these things when things don't
Even
turn
I do,
out.
because like my numeric is 9,
Hmm.
and next year ka, like when you add up the sum, 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5, it's 9. So even I have little hopes
For the next year.
for the next year.
So, I mean, this year was very compartmentalized into like quarters. Like, first 3 months were like working, exams, and we went to
Trips. It
Trip.
was very beachy also, like
हाँ,
all together.
all
we
the
talk
trips
about
we went were like beachy trips. Alibag,
beachy and bitchy.
Alibag was also full beachy. एक दो दिन का ही था, but only thing you get to do is just
Mhm.
beaches and cafes. We went to Goa. Only thing we did was cafes, chilling, and
Beaches.
beaches. Every day we were hitting to
Even I went to Delhi also for work. So even travel wise मेरा थोड़ा तो था traveling. Plus घर वापस आना जाना. I went home twice this year, back to back. Like
So in Delhi, like I live in Delhi NCR, not exactly Delhi, but she was living with my family for a month. So I think for our friendship,
yeah,
if I say it was a monumental year because 2023 ke August September is when we started talking and
talking.
met for the first time, and then till 2024 we were like, yeah, we need to hit a trip. And April May we went to Alibag with our other friends, and then we started living together. Before that she came to my house and she lived there for a month, and then we shifted into a flat, started living together, going to cafes together, doing like literally
Everything.
every shit together.
apart from sleeping.
Exactly, and few other things, but yeah, very monumental year for that. उसके
And we started Coswell Singh.
yes,
मतलब कैसा भी रहा हो ये साल, but I think it will be remembered.
by us that we started something, even if it doesn't cash out or monetize in that way, it will always be we started something.
हाँ मतलब
And
it's always मतलब it can never go waste.
exactly.
The things that we are learning and all of that.
Matlab, I feel I am more confident in front of the camera when I need to talk, or even if I'm giving presentations, I feel I can put my point across. It cannot look vague. I have a
Yeah.
voice which I can put across when I keep looking myself कैमरा में
बार
like
बार.
हाँ,
So you know what to improve, where to improve, and all of those
and
things
you exactly know what expression
to
when you
give.
give that expression, how does it look into the camera. So I मतलब अगर even if it doesn't cash out to be anything, I just don't think it will go to a waste.
Definitely, yeah, agree. Even like when I look first podcast हमारा and then now, so you know you see visible difference. कि ठीक है, we've come a long way.
हाँ
Little
मतलब
bit.
set wise, investment wise, there is no much difference, but the way we talk and the
Yeah.
body,
Personally, we have grown a lot, I think.
right. Also, health wise, it was relatively good. Not like I've not been hitting the gym the way I would like to, but yeah, I'm hitting the gym like more than 4 times a week. So, which is like
Like
good enough.
comparatively for me also this year, gymming wise and health wise, it has been good. Like I've been working out, I've been eating healthy. पिछले साल से compare करें तो, but इसी साल सबसे ज्यादा बीमारी हुई है मुझे. I don't know why. November तो it was like the worst month
November
ever.
तो just skipped. I don't know. Diwali came and now it's Christmas almost.
It didn't really skip for me.
हाँ मतलब पता नहीं. I didn't get to experience it that much.
I had high fever and then I broke my leg. I don't know how it happened, but it just happened. Like one day I wake up and I'm not able to walk.
It was not broken. It was
Yeah,
a
it was like-
muscle got swollen up, and
But that's what we can't figure out now.
हाँ, even when the doctor was asking what happened, कैसे हुआ, it's like I don't know. I just woke up and I woke up to this, and it was for good 15 days.
Yeah. More than
मतलब
that.
she was walking and first few days so I was only laughing क्योंकि मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा था and she's walking like that to her room.
I was limping.
Limping भी नहीं, both legs था ना,
हाँ,
तो you were
true.
just like that.
क्या बोले penguin जैसे I was just walking around the
हाँ,
house.
initial तो I was
Even doctor
laughing.
का experience wasn't good.
हाँ, so the area we live in, वैसे it's very open, you get good spaces, flat wise, बहुत सही है. But I have this major fear of going to the doctors कि मुझे कुछ ऐसा ना हो जाए कि मुझे यहाँ डॉक्टर पे जाना पड़े because medical service is not
Not
that
good.
good. और हमारा डॉक्टर का experience with her was very bad. मतलब the leg वाला doctor was saying कि it must be something तुम्हारे दिमाग में, like
He was like, I can suggest a psychiatrist.
ऐसा होता है कभी
Yeah,
कभी.
but I'm literally sitting there and I'm not depressed or anything. I'm talking properly. मैंने उनको बोला कि कुछ ऐसा problem नहीं है.
हाँ
It's just
मतलब
like,
if you had conveyed कि कुछ है problem
Yeah.
तो हो सकता था connection, but he was putting it more on her, like she's not telling me what happened, she's not telling, she's like I don't know, I want a solution to it.
Exactly.
And he's like I've seen everything I could and 2-3 बार हम गए, so yeah, overall very bad doctor वाला experience. Also some like weird screw ups happened, like I locked myself into the balcony, like I locked myself out. So basically I was in my room और हमारे यहाँ क्या होता है कि दिन में nobody goes to each other's room ऐसे ही, मतलब कुछ काम होएगा या lunch के लिए आ रहे, that it's fine, वैसे nobody disturbs each other. So मेरे को पता नहीं क्या हुआ, I came back from the gym, it was 11:30 और मैंने कहा भाई बालकनी ना बहुत गंदी हो रही है, मुझे इसके शीशे पे पानी मारना है. And I took my bucket, I wore my gloves और मैंने बाल्टी लिया. I went outside to the balcony, मैंने पानी मारा and I don't know, my reflex action was oh shit पानी dressing table पे जा रहा है, and I shut the balcony.
Yeah.
And I shut myself out. मेरे पास कुछ phone नहीं था. I could literally see my phone. I could see my bed, room. मैं दिन को मैं 1 मिनट पहले यहाँ पे थी. And then I started shouting and obviously आवाज नहीं जा रही थी.
I was not there घर पे.
हाँ, even our third flatmate, she was sleeping and her gate was also closed.
Yeah.
And I was just shouting. अच्छा gate locked नहीं था तो मुझे थोड़ा hope आ रहा था चिल्लाने का. And I shouted my guts off. I'm
Even
not
like
even kidding.
the person who was here, the third flatmate, she was like she could hear something, but then she was like कि कुछ काम चल रहा था बाहर.
हाँ exactly, यहाँ पे
furniture का.
कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही थी, नीचे कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही थी, तो मेरी आवाज पूरी बज आउट हो रही थी. एंड आई एम शाउटिंग और मैं नीचे भी नहीं चिल्ला सकती. वी वर ऑन द 16th floor एंड आई वाज लाइक आई थिंक आई नीड टू पैनिक. मतलब कुछ हो नहीं सकता. आई वाज ऑलमोस्ट गोइंग टू क्राई. देन मैंने अपना दिमाग लगाया, बालकनी के ग्रिल पे ना देयर वाज दिस झंडा जो एक वायर से लगा हुआ था, दिस राम जी वाला झंडा. आई वाज लाइक द ओनली थिंग आई कैन डू इज ब्रेक द ग्लास. सो आई ओपन द फुल रस्सी, मैंने निकाला वो झंडा, बट ऑब्वियसली मुंबई बालकनी इतनी जगह नहीं थी, इतना मोमेंटम नहीं है कि उसको मारूं, प्लस इट वाज वुडन और वो ग्लास थोड़ा हैवी है. तो मैं उसको मार रही हूँ, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, लॉस्ट होप, शाउटिंग एज इन नॉट लाइक I was shouting my guts off. When I said guts
Screaming.
off, I was पूरा बॉडी का एनर्जी, और धूप हो रही थी, डिहाइड्रेटेड, मैं कितना ही देर चिल्ला लेती. आई वॉज बैंगिंग द गेट. एनीवे बहुत देर हो चुकी थी. इट वॉज 10 to 15 minutes I was doing this, and then I held the gate and I started pulling it. And there is no way कि वो गेट खुलता है, बिकॉज वो अंदर से ऐसे प्रेस होके खुलता है. सो देर इज नो वे कि वो लॉक अनलॉक हो जाए. बट आई वॉज स्टिल पुलिंग इट, और मैं करे जा रही हूँ. एंड आई डोंट नो 3-4 minutes into it, it opened. I just don't know how. She felt like I had my guardian angels around who
Yeah,
opened
it happens. Like, you know, you always have some angels around you and then they help you. That is just my theory. Because, और कैसे हो सकता है? You give me an explanation to this.
हाँ, मतलब there is no handle कि भाई वो हैंडल खुला रहेगा तो वो बाहर से भी खुल जाएगा. It's like it's closed
And
and
you have
it's
been
locked.
trying like 20-15 minutes से.
हाँ, 10-15 minutes हो गया था मुझे
Exactly.
ट्राई करते हुए, नहीं हो रहा था, और लास्ट के 3-4 minutes
And
में
then I
just
came बाहर से and she's like, पता है क्या हुआ? Like, what happened?
या थोड़ा सा पैनिक अटैक हो गया था. आई कुडंट ब्रीथ. मुझे बालकनी वो क्योंकि ऐसे था, मुझे क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक हो गया था, मतलब इट वाज क्वाइट स्कैरी.
I'm sure.
So yeah, थोड़ा सा weird screw ups and all were happening. Then I recently, if you were thinking about the elephant in the room, I burnt my wrist. वो burnt मतलब कि my skin is kind of peeling off, और काफी गंदा burn out हो गया था.
इससे याद आया, we started cooking also this year. Like,
वाह क्या याद
I
आया.
sorry, but seriously मुझे तो बिल्कुल नहीं आता था. I
Same,
could
same,
not
same.
even flip anything तवे पे. I was very scared.
Same. And now I'm a flipping master.
Yeah, and I'm the pouring master.
So हाँ.
That's how we cook. But yeah, like now we can cook good stuff. We invite people and then we cook actually
Yeah, we also create a lot of Instagram recipes. तो हमें
random कुछ तो भी.
हाँ, पर recipes देख के लगता है कि हम बना लेंगे, मतलब from knowing nothing to even actually
Cooking
a dish and able to make something out of it. मतलब we can kind of more than survival mode, I think.
Obviously भाई, good tasty stuff.
हाँ,
और
मतलब
अब हमें ये भी समझ में आ गया. पहले तो we were so confused कि हम कोई वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो उसमें वो ये नहीं बताते कितना नमक डालना है, स्वाद अनुसार. Like what is स्वाद अनुसार?
अगर मैं
Just
आलू
tell
बनाना
it.
सीख रही हूँ तो मुझे नहीं पता है ना, तो बताओ
Exactly.
तुम कितना पानी डालना है. But now we like kind of
हाँ,
handle
now
it.
we know like कितना डालना है and it is perfect most of the time.
So yeah, major cooking year for us. We have been enjoying also cooking a
Yeah.
little bit because हमें pressure नहीं है. We do it when we like it or when दीदी is not there. Then also
हाँ,
kind of-
ये कुछ नई चीजें भी हमने सीखी है. हमें लाइक मेड का मेरे को नहीं पता था, मुझे इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड तो नहीं लगता था. I always thought कि she'll come, do her work and
we'll
you
give
know
the
leave.
money and
But
that's
like, oh my God, such a struggle it is to find and उनको काम कराना, उनको याद दिलाना कि आज डस्टिंग का दिन है, आज सफाई करनी है, आज खाना क्या बनाना है, रोज डिसाइड करना कि सब्जी नहीं है, मसाले खत्म हो गए. ब्लिंकिट हमारे घर रोज आता है. Legit रोज.
Now we have been trying to do Swiggy जिसमें they don't get your paper bag.
Yeah.
They put it in the bag and you at least try to minimize the packaging, but हाँ,
But we
online
always
delivery
check
आता ही है.
the prices.
हाँ.
Always compare.
Also, we had the courage to actually fire one Didi because we were
Yeah.
getting so annoyed, or and she was actually taking more money from us. We didn't know that.
And she was like, आप बाहर पूछ लो, इतना ही रेट चल रहा है. And when we actually compared, तो वो ज्यादा ही ले रही थी हमसे. फिर हमारा fuck हो गया माइंड के, what the fuck is happening with us?
And her mom came and उन्होंने बदतमीजी से बात करा. She banged the gate on us and
हाँ.
said, and she started talking in Marathi in
Yeah,
front of us.
and she
कि हमें
thought
नहीं
we could not
समझेगा.
understand. But like we
Which-
did.
हाँ, little bit we can understand, which is also like a plus in 2024.
Exactly.
We can understand like little bit of Marathi coming to Mumbai that nobody can make a fool out of us. Not pura, but yeah, we can.
She tried पूरा. And then she went ऐसे door bang करके, and then we were like कि आप अपना ये बाकी है हिसाब and all.
It's like,
Crazy.
देख लेंगे बाद में. Like, cool, bro. Chill.
It's fine.
This year was also thoda bahut breakdowns. I don't know, some energy shifts, or which is like every year. It's like a friend now we have to live with. But major emotional breakdowns
True, even for me. It
and a
was
lot
like
of people
that.
getting married our age, bro. तो वो
Can't
भी
even.
एक मतलब a lot of decision crisis that we've already talked about a lot, but there is a lot of decisions that have to be made like right now, which we are experiencing on peak this year, and it's gonna increase, but we are entering more ready next year. मतलब
थोड़ा सा
हाँ,
मतलब हमें समझ में आ गया आजू बाजू लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक वी आर मोर रेडी फॉर द ईयर
हाँ
कमिंग.
now yeah ठीक है अपना अपना
It's
करो.
fine.
So going with major hopes, going with the hope that we are able to continue this
Definitely, yeah.
change of setups, change of things, and I want consistency basically, because I've been able to be consistent on some things, but great year of procrastination also for me. I've been procrastinating on some things like crazy. मतलब कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि मुझे उठ के पानी पीना है, and I will procrastinate on that. So I just hope that eliminates for me. And yeah, next year I see a lot of consistency, and we'll also be, as I mentioned, creating a vision board for us.
And for the podcast as well. In the episode only. So like you can also see us doing stuff.
Yeah,
Tasting.
so tune in for the next episode. Tune
Let's
in
go.
next year. Continue to show love. Continue to tell us that should we continue and how should we continue, because we'll be living in different cities eventually. So yeah,
But it's gonna be fun.
like, sure,
Subscribe.
subscribe to our episode and keep coming back, and
Follow us on Insta also.
yes, and comment.
Show some love, guys. Bye.